Welcome back to episode 4. Up until now, we have been lucky our x or y terms always matched up perfectly for easy elimination. But what happens when none of the numbers match? Today we are unlocking the ultimate level of elimination method. I'm going to show you how to change the rules of the game by multiplying the equations to a perfect match. Let's tackle to example 1. Let's start with example 1. We got two equations. 2x plus 3y equals 11. That's equation 1. X plus y equals 4. That's equation 2. Notice how neither the x coefficients or the y coefficients match. To fix this, we can multiply our second equation by either 3 or 2 to eliminate variable. Let's choose to multiply equation 2 by 2 to match the x terms. When we multiply every single term in equation 2 by 2, we get 2 times x plus 2 times y equals 2 times 4. We get 2x plus 2y equals 8. So that's our equation 3. Now look at equation 1 and equation 3. Both have a 2x term. Let's subtract equation 3 from equation 1 to eliminate x. 2x plus 3y minus 2x plus 2y equals 11 minus 8. Let's distribute the negative sign. 2x plus 3y minus 2x minus 2y equals 3. The positive 2x and negative 2x cancel out completely. Now look at the y terms. 3y minus 2y leaves us with just a single y. So we instantly get y equals 3. Now that we have y equals 3, let's substitute it back into our original second equation because it's the simplest one to work with. Our second equation is x plus y equals 4. Let's swap out with y with 3. X plus 3 equals 4. Now let's subtract 3 from both sides to finish it off. X plus 3 minus 3 equals 4 minus 3. So we get x equals 1. Awesome. Our final coordinates for the example 1 are x equals 1 and y equals 3. Now let's move to example 2. This is where it gets really interesting because multiplying just one equation won't cut it. Look at this system. We got two equations. 3x plus 4y equals 18. That's equation 1. 2x plus 3y equals 13. That's equation 2. To match the x terms up, we need to find a common multiply for 3 and 2, which is 6. First, let's multiply all the equation 1 by 2. 3x times 2 plus 4y times 2 equals 18 times 2. This gives us 6x plus 8y equals 36. This becomes our new equation 3. Next, let's multiply all the equation 2 by 3. 2x times 3 plus 3y times 3 equals 13 times 3. This gives us 6x plus 9y equals 39. And this becomes our new equation 4. Brilliant. Now we have a matching 6x in both equations. Let's subtract equation 3 from equation 4 to solve for y. 6x plus 9y minus 6x plus 8y equals 39 minus 36. Expand it out carefully. 6x plus 9y minus 6x minus 8y equals 3. The 6x and minus 6x cancel out beautifully. For our y terms, 9y minus 8y leaves us with just y equals 3. Now let's substitute y equals 3 back into our original equation 1 to find x. The first equation is 3x plus 4y equals 18. Plug in 3 for y. 3x plus 4 times 3 equals 18. 3x plus 12 equals 18. Let's subtract 12 from both sides. 3x plus 12 minus 12 equals 18 minus 12. 3x equals 6. Finally, let's divide both sides by 3. X equals 2. Perfect. Our final coordinates for the example 2 are x equals 2 and y equals 3. Let's lock in this skill with one final challenge. Example 3 from our practice set. Here are our starting equations. 2x plus 3y equals 13. That's equation 1. 3x plus 5y equals 21. That's equation 2. Once again, let's target the x terms and scale them up to a common multiply of 6. Let's multiply equation 1 by 3. 2x times 3 plus 3y times 3 equals 13 times 3. This gives us 6x plus 9y equals 39. This is our new equation 3. Now, let's multiply equation 2 by 2. 3x times 2 plus 5y times 2 equals 21 times 2. This gives us 6x plus 10y equals 42. This is our new equation 4. Let's subtract equation 3 from equation 4 to eliminate x terms. 6x plus 10y minus 6x plus 9y equals 42 minus 39. Let's expand the terms. 6x plus 10y minus 6x minus 9y equals 3. The 6x terms disappear completely and 10y minus 9y leaves us with just y equals 3. Now, for the final home stretch, let's substitute y equals 3 back to in our first equation. 2x plus 3y equals 13. Plug in 3 for y. 2x plus 3 times 3 equals 13. 2x plus 9 equals 13. Let's subtract 9 from both sides. 2x plus 9 minus 9 equals 13 minus 9. 2x equals 4. Now, let's divide both sides by 2. X equals 2. And we cross the final line. Our final coordinates are x equals 2 and y equals 3. You just conquered the hardest variation of the elimination substitution method. Once you know how to scale equations up, there's absolutely no system you can't solve. If this video helped you conquer your algebra homework, make sure to smash that subscribe button and subscribe to my Scribe right now. PDF link in the description. Keep practicing because in our next lesson things are getting a bit more advanced. We are diving into substitution intermediate method. I will see you in the next video.